Today we are discussing real numbers, 4 marks questions. This type of questions coming for 4 marks. In these 4 questions, I will explain first question. You have to solve the remaining same method. See here, solution. See here, suppose is an suppose root 3 root 5 minus root 3 is not an irrational number, then root 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. Let root 5 minus root 3 is equals to P by Q. Here P comma Q belongs to Z and Q does not equals to 0. This is the definition of rational number. See here, squaring on both sides, root 5 minus root 3 that is equals to P square by Q square. See here, what is the A minus B? A minus B whole square formula, A square plus B square minus 2AB. See here, A square means root 5 square minus root 3 plus square minus 2 root 5 into root 3. That is equals to P square by Q square. See here, root square cancel, root square cancel. 5 plus 3 minus 2. 5 into 3, 15, root 15. That is equals to P square by Q square. See here, 8, 5 plus, see here, 5 plus 3, 8. Minus 2 root 15 P square by Q square. I am taking this right side and taking this left side. So sign changes. 8 minus P square Q square by, that is equal to, take minus 2 root 15, take right side, sign changes plus 8 Q square minus P square by Q square, that is equals to, I am taking to right side, 15 root 15. Here 8 Q square minus P square comma 2Q square belongs to Z and 2Q square is not equals to 0. So 8Q square minus P square by 2Q square is a rational number. See here, so 8Q square minus P square by 2Q square is a rational number, but root 15 is not a rational number. number. So an irrational number never becomes a rational number. So our supposition that root 5 minus root 3 is a irrational number is false. So root 5 minus root 3, therefore root 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. So this is a very important question. This type of questions are coming in examination for 4 marks. See here, I am explaining now once again. Asking question, show that root 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. So we are suppose root 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Then root 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. When this number is not an irrational number, then this is the root 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. We are let root 5 minus root 3 is equals to p by q. That is p by q. P comma q belongs to z and q does not equals to 0. See here, squaring on both sides. Root 5 minus root 3 whole square, that is equals to p square minus b square by q square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. See, root 5 square plus root 3 square minus 2 root 5 into root 3, that is equals to p square by q square. Square root cancel, 5 plus 3 minus 2, 5 into 3 is 15, root 15, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, minus 2 root 15, that is equal to p square by q square. Here, minus 2 root 15 take right side and p square minus q square take left side. Then 8 minus p square by q square is equals to minus 2, it becomes plus 2 root 15, take LCM, 8 q square minus p square by 2 q square. I am taking 2 this side, root 15. Here 8 q square minus p square comma 2 q square belongs to z and 2 q square not equal to 0. So 8 q square minus p square 2 by 2 q square is a rational number from here. So this is a rational number and root 15 is not a rational number. So an irrational number never becomes a rational number. So our suspicion root 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number is false. Root 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. This is the problem. This type of questions are coming in the examination 4 marks from real numbers. Same, this problem also same. Root 2 plus root 7. In place of here, take right here and squaring on both sides. Same process. These 4 questions are same process. Here, second question. If x square plus y square is equal to 27xy, then show that log of x minus y by 5, that is equals to 1 by 2 log of x plus log y. Given x square plus y square is equals to 27xy. Here x square y square means a square plus b square. A square plus b square formula a plus b whole square. Here 2ab. In place of x square plus y square, we are adding 2xy minus 2xy. Adding and subtracting 2xy minus 2xy, that is equal to 27. 2xy minus 2xy means 0. 0 means same. See here, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab means x plus see here, second question, if x square plus y square is equals to 27xy, then show that log of x minus y by 5 is equals to 1 by 2 log of x plus log y. See here, x square given x square plus y square is equals to 27xy. See here 5. So here a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equals to a plus b whole square. But I am taking here minus, so I am taking here minus formula. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. See here x square plus y square minus of 2. X, a means x, b means y, plus 2xy, that is equals to 27 x y. See here minus 2xy plus 2xy means 0. 0 means same step. See here a square plus b square minus 2ab means a minus b, x minus y whole square, that is equals to this plus 2xy, taking right side minus 27xy minus 2xy, x minus y whole square is equals to 25xy. Here this 25 taking here x minus y 25 whole square is equals to xy. I am converting this 25 in square. 25 means 5 that 25, 5 into 5, that is equals to 5 square. See here x minus y by 5 square, here also square, that is equals to xy. See here x minus y by 5 whole square, that is equals to xy. Applying log on both sides. See here log of x minus y by 5 whole square, that is equal to log of xy. We know the formulas. Log of a square a power m, that is equals to m into log a. See here it is the m, it is the log a, means m means 2 log of x minus y by 5, that is equals to log a b. A into b means log a plus log b. This is the formula. Log x plus log y. But See here, log x minus y by 5, log x minus y by 5. Here 1 by 2. This 2 take right side. Here multiplying, there divided. X minus y by 5 is equals to 1 by 2 log of x plus log y. Given x square plus y square is equals to 27xy. We know that a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a square means x square, b square means y square. Remaining not here is this is so minus 2, a means x, b means y. I am adding this minus 2xy plus subtracting and adding plus 2xy. I am here adding 2xy minus subtracting 2xy means 2xy plus 2xy means 0. Same step will come. See here, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. X minus y whole square is equal to 27xy, but plus 2xy I am taking right side minus 2xy. X minus y whole square I am taking this 25 into left side. So we are multiplying, here dividing. X minus y whole square by 5, 25 is equals to xy. I am 25 in factors method. 5 into 5, 5 square. Here square, whole square. X minus y by 5 whole square, that is equals to xy. Applying log on both sides, log of x minus y by 5 whole square is equals to log of xy. This is the form of log a power m, that is equals to formula m log a. M is 2, I am writing here 2. Log of a means x minus y by 5 is equals to log a into b means log a plus b, log x plus log y. Log of x minus y by 5, that is equals to this 2 taking right side. So here multiplying, here dividing. 1 by 2 log of x plus log y, hence proved. See here, third question. If x is equals to log 3 by 5, y is equals to log of 5 by 4 and z is equals to 2 log root 3 by 2, prove that 5 power x plus y minus z is equals to 1. See here, given x is equals to log 3 by 5, y is equals to log 5 by 4 and z is equals to 2 log root 3 by 2. Here I am taking x plus y minus z. X plus y minus z. Here x means log of 3 by 5 plus y means log of 5 by 4 minus z means 2 log root 3 by 2. See here, log a by b formula, log a minus log b, and see here, root 3 means 3 power 1 by 2. See here, log 3 by 5 means log 3 minus log 5 plus log 5 minus log 4 minus 2. Here log 3, root 3 means 3 power 1 by 2. 3 power 1 by 2 minus log 2. See here, minus log 5 plus log 5 cancel. Remaining log 3 minus log 4 minus here multiplying 2 log 3 by 2 minus 2 log 2. See here, I am taking this. This is in the form of log a power m. That is equal to m into log a. Log 3 minus log 4 and log 4. Log 4 means 4 means 2 into 2, 2 square minus 2 into this power I am taking in this formula m. M means 1 by 2 log 3 minus 2 log 2. See here, 2 cancel, and this is also in the form of log a power m, means log 3 minus of log 2 minus log 3 minus here, sorry, here plus minus into minus plus, so plus log 3 plus 2 log 2 plus log 3 minus log 3 plus minus log 2 plus 2 log 2 cancel, 0. X plus y minus z is equals to 0. I am taking LHS 5 power x plus y minus z, that is equals to 5 power x plus y minus z is equals to value 0. 5 power 0. 5 power 0 means 1. This is the RHS. Hence proved. See here, I am once again explaining this problem. Very important problem. Given x is equals to log 3 by 5, y is equals to log 5 by 4, and z is equals to 2 log root 3 by 2. Log a by b formula. What is the formula a? Log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. See here, I am taking x in LHS, x plus y minus z. I am taking this. X means x log 3 by 5 plus y means log 5 by 4 minus z. Z means 2 log root 3 by 2. Here root 3 means I am converting in power 3 power 1 by 2. Now log a minus b formula apply here. Log 3 minus log 5. Here apply log a by b formula. Log 5 minus log 4 minus 2 log a by b means log a minus log b. Log a means I am taking root 3 means root 3 power 1 by 2 minus log 2. Now log 3 here, log 5 plus log 5 minus log 5 cancel, 0. Remaining log 3 minus log 4 minus 2 log 3 power 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 2 log 2. See here, log 3 minus log 4 means log 2 power 2 minus 2. It is in the form of log a power m, that is equals to m into log a. M is 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 log 3 plus 2 log 2. 2 cancel, remaining log 3 minus this is in the power of, this is the form of log a power m. M is 2 log 2 minus log 3 plus 2 log 2. Here see here, log 3 minus log 3 minus log 3 cancel, 0. Minus 2 log 2 plus log 2, 0. So x plus y minus z value is 0. Now I am taking this LHS. LHS 5 power x plus y minus z is equals to 0. 5 x plus y minus z value is 0. 5 power 0 means 1. RHS. This is the answer. Very important problem.
Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.